Hello people. So it is like a very it's like 8:30 in the morning on a Tuesday morning right now while I'm shooting, and it's people just I had my breakfast in this little joint near office, and quite a cute little joint, whatever, morning breakfast. And the joint next to it was a Irani restaurant, yeah, where you have these halim sort of these big boards, and right at that moment itself, I mean, there was this vehicle park that had lots of chickens, lots of hens, and I don't know why I just went near the vehicle, and I was like trying to chat with the little birds who are going to be slaughtered in like in matter of hours, yeah, I mean minutes or hours. So, and all these baby animals, be it goats, be it, they are actually baby animals, they, none of these the sort of chicken or goat or mutton or goats who end up on our plate are ever allowed to live their entire life cycle, right? I mean, they just reach, basically, people are consuming babies, yeah, babies of a different species. So it's very depressing. So people, just if you all can, just vegetarianism, yeah, in fact veganism is the route too. And vegan, it's easier being a vegan, giving up milk, which is like most people don't like it also, I'm sure. So anyway, so this is a video I felt I should post. So yeah, people, give it a thought, and on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.